Power down your Apple iPhone 7 Plus smartphone. Eject the Nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the opening tool, slice through the intense adhesive and carefully decouple the iPhone 7 Plus display assembly from the rear case. Unlike previous iPhone models, the 7 Plus bizarrely opens to the side. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables along the middle right side, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 tri-point screws securing the bracket that covers the battery connector and 2 of the display cables. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the bracket out of the way, spudge up the cables from the logic board. Remove the following 3 tri-point screws that secure the bracket covering the upper component display cable. Disconnect the cable and free the iPhone 7 Plus display assembly from the phone. In place of the headphone jack is a barometric vent. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then raise it out of the iPhone 7 Plus rear case. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws. Detach and free the iPhone 7 Plus Taptic engine. This sleek engine uses haptic feedback to simulate the push of a button. Locate the 3 peel to remove adhesive tabs at the bottom of the 7 Plus battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each tab up and away from the iPhone 7 Plus. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the rear case. And just like that, out pops the 2900 mAh iPhone 7 Plus battery.